Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now I want to come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, the streets are undefeated, y'all. Y'all gotta stop living this fantasy street code of no snitching and things of that nature. But if you do live with those types of street codes, you're gonna have to encounter things like this. But make sure shout out to the Big Fact Podcast. Without them, man, this video wouldn't be possible. So make sure I go support them, right? Make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Let's get straight into the video. Big Bang and Kwony Cash clash over snitching allegation. Let's get it.
Tasha Couture, all them folks came out of my house. Them folks ain't come out of nothing else but Kwony Cash house, man.
So what you think make them bag up from you though?
I wouldn't even say they bagged up from me. I don't think people really want to reveal the true essence of what they got to say because they done bad mouth about a rumor for so long without even getting down to the bottom of it. Now you can't even, cause I see everybody. It's not a nigga in this city who I don't see on the regular. Every club I be there, shaking my hand, but behind closed doors on some sucker shit. You know what I'm saying?
What's the rumor?
Nah, but it was a video though. You in the interrogation room talking. So what that is, I like how that's the bottom of it.
Yeah, right. You say that's the bottom of it, right?
That's the rumor.
That's the rumor. I brought my paperwork, black and white.
No, I'm talking about. Nah, I get that part. I'm talking about the interrogation.
The interrogation video niggas seen, that was an interview of me and the DA. In that video wasn't no police is present, no nothing. Me and my lawyer came right then.
The DA is the
Did what we had to do. Everybody in my paperwork said the same thing. That man working a self-defense case. That man went on no gangster shit. So for niggas even be playing with me with some street shit like nigga, man, come on, man.
So you saying basically everybody that was on the case was trying to make it was
Ain't no everybody on the case.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all was saying that it was self-defense, basically.
That's the whole moral of the story. It's self-defense.
Yeah.
The way they leaked the video tried to make it seem like I took a nigga down.
The way they leaked the video, making sure it seem like he took a nigga down. When he said that, he make it seem like he told on somebody to make somebody go to jail. Street terminologies for y'all.
No, nigga, this self-defense. Nigga, I got the paperwork to show. Nigga, his mama said it, his sister said it, his baby mama said it. Everybody was out there that night said the same thing. He turned himself in the next day after this shit happened.
Oh, but they edited the video like you said he shot.
Yeah, they tried to edit the video like I said something like off the record. Snitching is when you give these folks some information. Don't try to play like a nigga went and shared information to get a nigga arrested.
So what a nigga
that ain't snitching. He home, nigga. He home right now.
What he saying?
Nothing, nigga. Been home 5-6 months, ain't saying nothing about it.
Yeah.
Cause he know, like, on his heart, he ain't never said he can't say it.
Yeah.
Nigga, cause it ain't that. I ain't no motherfucking sucker. And niggas ain't even finna keep playing with my name. Like, I got this paperwork. The video niggas seen, nigga, I put that shit out. I put it out. Niggas took that shit the wrong way. And it's still another one up with the full story. Niggas ain't paying attention.
Could a nigga not took that the wrong way though? Just looking at that part?
If a nigga right, the favoritism that niggas show other niggas, it ain't fair. Because niggas ain't been in the trenches with nigga. I done been in the car with you by myself. Right. Every spot I done came to, I've been by myself with you.
Yeah.
Studio by myself with you.
Yeah.
Millions of times. Done did beats for every nigga on your camp. Nigga, I ain't never been no sucker, never did no sucker shit, never stole nothing from no nigga, or made no nigga feel like I was gonna do no sucker shit.
Yeah.
So for a nigga not even try to say, okay, Kwony saying something, let me see what he's saying. Home done did shit for me that niggas ain't did. For free. I wouldn't charge a nigga for beats. I ran that shit for free here. You like that shit, boy, say that shit, you can have it for free. Ain't nothing on it. Nigga ain't even had the common courtesy to say, okay, Kwony, look, let us check it out. And how I feel about it, that's how I feel about it. Niggas just went one way because they wanted to say something. They wanted to believe it because ain't no smut on me. Nigga can't say they took nothing from me, jumped on me, beat me up, did me bad, nothing. And I done did 100 shows out here. Niggas ain't never took nothing from me, done nothing from me. What? So what's the issue with niggas coming to me saying, hey, Kwony, let me check you out? Where the love at? Niggas talking about they with a nigga, where the love at? When it was lucrative, when niggas was able to get something out of it, like, okay, home got this shit, the hot shit going on, let us get something out of it. It's lucrative. Nigga check in then. Nigga pull up to my mama house grabbing me. But nigga come pull up on me and say, bro, let me check that shit out. What nigga saying? Alley boy, the only nigga in this city who pulled up on me when I got out and said, bro, let me check that shit out. Home seen that paperwork and said, bro, I'm sorry. And put me on play since I've been home. Home been looking out hey, buddy, if I want some beats out here in Chicago, I'm up here with Shawty, like, cause I don't know, but Shawty ain't did that one. Nigga spraying home. I got my paperwork right here to show you. Boy, baby mama said the same thing. His best friend, both of the niggas in his rap group, the club owner, niggas managers who popping right now, everybody said the same thing because it's a self-defense case. This ain't no gangster shit.
I ain't never knew that.
That's what I'm saying. And
I
niggas ain't
lie
want
though.
to.
When I saw that shit, just, you know, when the niggas see, I believe my own eyes.
Man,
So I'm just keeping it 100 with you. So if I see a nigga in, I don't know if it's interrogation room, DA or what, saying that another nigga shot, to me that's telling.
Listen what I'm trying to tell you. If it was another nigga that you felt like you grew up with, or
I ain't asking no nigga shit. I ain't talking to no nigga about that, bro.
Man, you gonna pull up on a nigga and say,
No,
"Baby,
hell,
see
I
the
ain't.
paperwork?"
No,
Man,
I ain't.
Please,
I
man.
ain't.
You ain't?
No.
I don't believe you.
Name a nigga.
I don't know no
Name a
niggas
nigga.
who-
Ain't no nigga. My dad went to Chang, ain't about a nigga telling on, and my brother. So if a nigga told on a nigga, this the first time I sat down with a nigga that with those type of shit, because I talked to your man and he said, bro, it was a self-defense case. I said, all right, bring him up here. Let's talk about this shit then.
Exactly, but
That's just what it is. Other than that,
if it's two sides to a story and the nigga put something out there, why a nigga going with one way and not the other way?
because
Or even
I
trying
saw
to.
it. Because I saw something.
I saw it too.
That's
I
what
put
I'm
it
saying. So
out.
that's what I'm saying. That's where I went. I can't speak for nobody else. What I went with was what I saw. What I saw was
a nigga in the room
saying that another nigga shot up a gun. That's what I saw.
and now a nigga telling you what it really is.
Now that's a different.
Okay, cool.
All right, it wasn't no different from when I saw.
If me and you go on the move, right? Or we go in the store and steal some chips. We gonna make it petty. We go in the store and steal some chips. You walk out the store. You tell the police, man, I got these chips. You can ask my girl, ask Ali for I got these chips. The folks told me I couldn't get the shit. I got these chips. I can't do that. My shit ain't registered. I'm gone.
Yeah.
You turn yourself in. These folks name, my name keep coming up. So who the other person who stole the chips with you? Now, how can somebody telling you when everybody's saying the same thing you saying? You walk
that's
in with
different.
the,
Not what you
you
said.
walk in with the
Hold up.
chips. These the chips I use to crack the nigga in the head with. This the weapon I use. I can't tell on you.
No, you right. You
Okay,
you
then.
100% right. If that's how that shit went,
Man,
you
that's how-
100% right.
I got my
dog.
paperwork. We ain't got. I'm talking about ain't no page 8 missing. Ain't no 11. None of that. All of it here. For real, bro. We ain't doing that one. Real street nigga. I'm here. I'm here early. You can ask your assistant, but I put up early by myself. Just let you know, but this ain't that.
Yeah.
And I don't need no validation from no nigga because I'm who I am for real. Stand alone, the truth. Like, but I want you to see this so you can understand. Damn, Quan, but I'm wrong for paying you any kind of way and behind your back, anything that sucker shit. Instead of getting the truth to no matter what
I
nigga
ain't
say.
paying
But
shit. I said what it
I
was.
said if a nigga paying
Oh, yeah,
behind the
yeah,
behind,
nah,
ain't
I
saying
ain't
he
paying
did.
shit.
But nigga behind the door talking about, oh no, don't fuck with home. Cause boy, everybody come to the city, hey boy, like, well, we trying to lock in. I got this shit going. But these folks out here saying that down, niggas saying that. Niggas see me, get what they do. Hand, it's not a nigga in this city who I ain't started off. They give me my hand. Ain't no pressure, man, nigga know better. Ain't I'm walking around with it. This from prison. This ain't no made up shit. This shit got coffee stains on it. Handprint, man, it real work. We not playing. It real shit. We can go through it. Every page you ain't gonna miss.
So, because I'm done with the bullshit, right? So we basically having an unintellectual conversation. I mean, as far as their facial card and things of that nature, the street credit, that's everything to them, right? But how does this help us as black people? Like, how does having one of these conversations about snitching help us? Like, help your community? How does it put on your community? How does it uplift another person? It ain't even gotta be a black person. How does it uplift another person? It doesn't, bro. This shit a waste of time, bro. Next video.